Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Galaxy Station. In this video, I will unbox and test this affordable Joyroom 30,000 mAh power bank which is PD supported up to 30 watt and it supports PD 20, PPS 25 and SCP 22.5 protocol. This is one of the best power bank in this price range. The model number of this power bank is ZRPBF03 and as you can see it has a rated capacity of 60% which is 18,000 mAh. Let's cut the box. In the meantime, I will talk with the specification of this power bank. This power bank has one input which is type C. This is up to 30 watt supported and this power bank has three output. One is type C. Type C can deliver up to 30 watt. Another is USB 1 which can support only up to 22.5 watt. USB 2 can support only 22.5 watt also, and the weight of this power bank is 650 gram which is not light. I can say that this is heavy as like most of the 30,000 mAh power bank. Okay, this is the power bank. Wow, this is heavy. I am sorry guys, this is heavy. Wow, a clothed pouch, manual which I don't need to read. Let's start with the pouch. Wow, a USB Type-C cable. I hope this supports fast charging. Yes, the cable looks very good, very heavy. Time to open the power bank. I will test the power bank with the pouch first because I am very excited about this pouch. I always carry a pouch with my power bank. I am testing it. Yes, this is perfect. A perfect fit for this heavy 30 watt PD 30,000 mAh 650 gram power bank. Let's test the power bank itself. Yes, it looks solid. The power display is very big. Two USB-A output, one Type-C in out and a bright torch light. The specifications are also written at the back of this power bank. Now, unboxing is done. Time to review. And as always, I have my USB digital tester for this test. I am using eSagar 65 watt charger for this testing. Yes, I am getting 21.4 watt of output via the USB-A to Type-C connection, which is very good because my power bank has 84% charge and I can't expect more speed in this capacity. So input test is successful. This is as advertised. Now time to test the main thing, power bank's output. As always, I have my Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra which is capable of receiving 45 watt of juice, but unfortunately this power bank only supports up to 30 watt. So let's see. I am using the original Samsung inbox cable. Again with the help of USB digital tester. First specimen is the Type-C output. Yes, I am getting super fast charging and again up to 22 watt. And as you can see, both my power bank and Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra has 84% charge. So this is normal. 22 watt of output. This is normal for this power bank and for my phone. So Type-C port also passed its test. Now time to check the USB output, and my Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra can receive 15 to 18 watt max via USB to Type-C cable. Let's test. Okay, I am connecting the USB cable to my phone. I will expect a fast charging. Yes, fast charging, and it's up to 15 watt. So this is also satisfactory. This should be it. Okay, I am satisfied with both input and output test. This is all advertised now. Time to test the torchlight. Yes, this is very good. Torchlight is very bright. I hope this power bank will help me a lot during my campaign. So, this is it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more content, and let me know in the comment section your thoughts on this power bank. Until next time, this is Galaxy Station signing off.